This is Eric on the motorbike, has just come from collecting food for the pigs. As you can see, just getting his way to the pig pen. Napiga Eric. And when he shows up, almost everything benefits. The pigs benefits, the guinea fowl benefits, the ducks benefit, the chickens benefit.